Well, guys, we're at another trade show. This time we're checking out the North American Association for Food Equipment Manufacturers. Let's check it out. I'm gonna fuck around and get baked whole in there, boy.
One piece of grilled chicken at a time over a grill, right? Just like a French fry should be, ladies and gentlemen, that are around our booth today, right? You're probably wondering, how do we manage all these programs that we're cooking with right now?
Food from that locker, boy.
Full-time job allows facility.
Give us the possibility to cook today, in the morning, for lunch, for dinner, and for next lunch again. The lid on, and then we'll vacuum it and we'll put it in. You're putting the right programs for me? Very nice.
Well, guys, I've definitely enjoyed my time here at the North American Association for Food Equipment and Manufacturers. They have plenty to see and try and experience if you are working in the food service or drink service industry. They had plenty of food and drinks to try as well, also while learning about the equipment that helps make this service run a little easier to please its customers. But if you have a passion for cooking or drink service, or you work or you own a business in one of those industries, this is definitely the show for you. But until next time, guys, I'll see you on the next one.